Okay, back in another video. We're gonna be playing Fortnite. Let me just launch this thing, it takes a bit of time. Okay, while we're on it, we're gonna be playing Battle Royale, duos. I'm gonna ask my brother, should I do duos or alone?
I don't know. Okay. You choose. Actually, yours. Oh, I don't know what to say.
Duos?
Oh.
Duos or solo?
Those are solo. No.
I guess we're going for duos?
Yeah,
No, duos are too much, so we're gonna go for solo. Alright? I don't know why I asked them then. Why does this take so long? My brother is literally playing break and turn.
Yeah, you said that.
Alright. Here we go. Guess we're loading it. Alright.